Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Mirian Dike, as you can see. In today's video, I just want to share with you guys how I do my meat wraps. That is making wraps with kebab. Yeah, as you can see. So let's get into it, guys. So here, because of I don't want to waste any time, I just go ahead and start pouring my groundnut oil, but I'm not going to use much of it. Now after that, I'll now go ahead and add my onions. So in this recipe, I don't normally use much groundnut oil, or you can call it rapso oil of your choice. So I'll just go ahead and add my onions like I said before. After that, just fry it a little bit, like 2 minutes, yeah, before adding the kebab funny, that is cow meat. Keep watching, guys. So for you to know the exact quantity of what I used in this recipe, just check my description box and you will get the exact quantity I use on it. In case you are the type that normally put your thyme like me, then you don't have problem. If in case you are the type that normally use small spoon, you don't have problem. Just check on the description box. Yeah, keep watching, guys. So I just want to use this opportunity right now to say a very big thank you to all my old and new subscribers. Thank you so much, especially the new subscribers. I always appreciate you guys also for joining this family. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. So now I'm adding my Maggi. Here I'm using chicken Maggi cube. Yeah, just as you're seeing what I'm doing. Yeah. So just go ahead and close it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, then you check it again. Normally there should be small water at the bottom of your pot, just like I'm showing you right here. Yeah, you have to wait for this water to dry so that all the ingredients will come together. Keep watching, guys. So while waiting for the water to get dry, I'll show you guys, because I don't want this video to be so long, I cut all the ingredients, I mean all the vegetables off camera, so that this video will not be too long. Yeah, so now this is the wrap. I bought 2 wraps, the one with another weight and the other one with normal weight, that is flour. Both of them are flour, but as you can see, with different colors. So I bought the big one and the small one. Normally I always use the small one for the kids, the big one for the entire family. So this is what I'm doing today. I'm doing it for the whole family. Yeah, I have another version of this wraps. That one is tuna fish. In case you are the type that doesn't like meat, like you're a vegan, you doesn't eat meat, you can check that one out. That one is another version. So I always like to try different methods that my kids will like to eat. You know, this, especially this winter time, kids doesn't like to eat vegetables, but this is a kind of to get my kids to eat more vegetables in this period where that is it. So keep watching and see how I made my meat wraps. So here is my salad cream. I'll now go ahead and pour the portion I need for the making of this wrap. Then go ahead and add chili pepper, not so much, and then add the one that is not chili because of the kids. So I always add both of them. Then turn it very well. This helps the wraps to taste so good. Oh my goodness, both of them, when you add both of them, it tastes so good, and the kids wouldn't even notice that you add chili pepper on it. So for the wraps, I used to put it on the microwave just to get warm just for 1 minute. Then I'll remove it before applying, or will I say before putting the salad cream on it, then before adding all the necessary ingredients. Yeah, please don't forget your meat, if it is still on fire, to check on it not to get burnt. Keep watching. So after wrapping it, I'll go ahead and wrap it again with fresh hard folio. That is a stickable waterproof. You can use to wrap like fish. If you are the type that used to do fish, you can use it to do fish and put it in the fridge, yeah, or anything wrappable. So like I'm doing right now, I'll wrap it like this, or sometimes I use aluminum foil also. So here, just keep repeating the process until you finish wrapping all the vegetables with the meat. Here is the remaining meat. So this, I'm going to put it in a small container and put it in the fridge. This and all the vegetables, I'm going to put it in the fridge also. This one, I'm going to use it later for small wraps, or I'm going to use it just for small chops for the kids. That's how I used to do it. So here our meat wraps are ready. I'm cutting one for you to see the inside, how it looks like. Guys, you really need to try this meat wrap recipe. It's really good. It tastes so good and it's lekker. I mean very sweet. Yeah, I present to you the meat wraps. Oh yeah. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. See you guys in next upcoming video. Hope you enjoy watching. Bye.